So this is day 2 of my hair, and I am thoroughly impressed with how it came out. I did a twist out. I wanted to show y'all what product, but first I want to say I figured out what was going on with my hair, and I'm struggling with some postpartum hair tangling and matting. So every time I wash my hair, chunks of my hair clump together, and then I have to like detangle it, and it's a whole process within itself. But my hair was like looking lifeless and dry and all that, so I was looking for some extra moisturizing products, and I tried Miss Tab's Donna's recipe, and I used her entire lock system line. But this is the key right here. This is what has my hair looking super juicy, super moisturized. I pulled it up because I didn't want to like take the twist out or whatever, but I literally just used her extra moisturizing shampoo, conditioner, her leave-in, and then this right here, this is the hair and scalp oil. And it's kind of like, when I was using it, I'm like, it has the consistency of like a butter, like a shea butter. And this is what it looks like. And it literally, like, this is one of the ingredients. It says shea butter. So it has a bunch of oils in it that helps your hair grow and keep it moisturized. But it has like a shea butter consistency. And when you put it in your hands, it's gonna feel gritty. Like, this is the consistency right here. It's gonna feel gritty, but it's going to actually melt. You can see that. And yeah, it has my hair feeling super good, looking really healthy. And I wanted to compare this to the Camille Rose. There's like a honey leave-in. I'm gonna put a picture of it up here so y'all can know what I'm talking about if you've never heard of it before. But it literally looks like honey. It's kind of like in a container that looks like honey, and it's a leave-in. And how this product worked on my hair, their product works the exact same way. It's just a little bit messier. Like, it feels like honey. When you put it in your hand, it warms up. It's a little messy, but if you don't mind getting a little messy with your hair, then you know you don't really have to have an issue. But this, it's just like it melts into your hand and it goes into your hair, and they're kind of gritty, so it's gonna look like once you put it in your hair, like you may have some white specks in your hair. But no, like, all of that, I didn't even experience any of that. That's one thing I was worried about. I'm just really impressed with how my hair came out, and I just wanted to let y'all know, just in case y'all were thinking about trying Donna's recipe, because it is the truth. My hair is looking so healthy, and I don't even feel embarrassed to wear my hair, because I, like, literally when I wash my hair, I have 2 handfuls of hair that comes out. So really, my feelings about my hair right now, they're trying to get my skin together, but I feel like I'm kicking this postpartum in this butt. Okay, so go and try it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.